Today we'll show you how to add video in OBS Studio. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go to now to search and open your OBS Studio and go. Okay, just now see what I want to do and repeat it. Okay, just now to test here into send, and just now go to this is here like plus add source and go now to media source. Okay, source, just click and put like video 1. Okay, just click and browse and go when your location of your video. Okay, just I will test to this is video. It's how to add background Google Forms. Okay, just click and click. Okay, just now like this, and finally now we have this is a video here. Here now it's working, it's good. Okay, so now it's here when I want to be like this and like this and like this and like this. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.